only 29. That's the high so far at Reagan National. It will go a bit higher, we hope, before midnight here, because the sooner it gets to 33 degrees, the better for all of us, because the ice will start melting and the snow will melt too. 29 and 20 the high and low. 47 and 31 are the averages. And we still continue under this area of a winter storm warning. The area is shaded in pink until 4 a.m. and the rest of the region now continues under a winter weather advisory until the same time. Temperatures are key now. Precipitation in the form of rain that freezes on contact is called freezing rain. When we hit 33 and higher, it still rains, but it doesn't freeze anymore. Right now, with temperatures in the upper 20s across most of the area, it continues to freeze, and that pattern will continue for several more hours. What we see on Doppler radar are patches of freezing rain. In between, there are areas of freezing drizzle. The droplets are too small to be detected by radar. And then farther west, and every time we look, it pushes a little more west into the cold air overhead, where that's still some snow. But most of the story, the rest of the way, will be freezing rain and freezing drizzle. More patches, in fact, coming across central North Carolina now. It continues to get a little bit larger area of freezing rain that's going to move north and northeast through the area. Even freezing rain in Charlotte right now. So the cold air is well entrenched right through the I-95 corridor and west. It is getting warmer just inland from the coast in North Carolina and Hampton Roads. So that's encouraging to us, warmer to the west as well. But until the changeover in temperatures, we're going to continue to see the possibility of ice accreting or accumulating. 1/10 of an inch ice accretion in the metro area and points to the east, up to 1/4 inch in spots the west, and that's enough to snap some tree branches at that weight. Our futurecast shows a continuation tonight at 9:30 freezing rain. We have two computer models on here, one to show the precipitation and the other one to show the freezing line. And watch, 9:30 tonight, the freezing line is indicated just southeast of the city, and then as we get towards midnight, a little bit after, it gets closer to metro Washington. The suburbs are above freezing, and then eventually overnight the warm air takes over and our problems start to improve ice-wise. But look at this, tomorrow morning, a slug of very heavy rain, enough rain, 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rain expected around here tomorrow through the morning and early afternoon. That's enough to cause flooding. 1 to 1.5 inches of rain expected by that time. So that, with the snow melt, has placed our area under a flood watch effective tomorrow morning through tomorrow afternoon and evening. And again, that's going to be a tough go-to with the drainage areas, ponding of water, and localized flooding. After we get through that, things look a little bit better, I think, here. By Wednesday, we'll hit the upper 40s, lower 40s on Thursday, mid-40s Friday with some sunshine. But check out this weekend. This should give you some hope. Partly sunny, highs near 60 degrees on Saturday and Sunday. Stay with us, ABC 7 News at 6. We'll be right back.
Attention. If you took the blood-thinning